Oh, and like this, see how this is? Everybody else in Parma, they stop and they wait behind the car.
Oh, yeah.
This guy's gonna get pissed.
What's he doing?
I don't know. What are you doing? Drive. Drive, dude.
It's you. It's for
Yeah,
you.
go.
That's for you, buddy.
I can't move over anymore. You got that whole space.
That's for you, buddy. No, he's not,
No,
you fuck face.
You're not over in your fucking lane. You retard.
This fucking crazy guy right here. I don't know. You know? What are you gonna do?
Just learn how to drive. I don't know, this guy won't fucking move.
Yeah. We're not going anywhere. That's what I was waiting
That's
for.
what I'm saying.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Come on. Call the cops. Come on.
Come on. Plenty of room. Yeah,
All you gotta
go
do
ahead.
is get in
Yeah,
your
back.
fucking
Come
lane.
on. It's all you, buddy. It's all you.
You got all that space right there. Go ahead.
It's all you.
I know, right? Man, it's rush hour now. Let's go. And all these people you got behind you. Just calling the cops. I'm not doing anything wrong, right?
No.
I'm just driving down the road.
No, you're 100% in your rights. There's no double line down the middle saying you can't park past a parked car. He's in the middle of the street blocking everybody, and so people are just trying to get through.
Yeah.
You don't go back up because all they have to do is just go off to the side and pass each other. You're not going to back up.
Drive. You got all that space over there.
Plenty of room. You got plenty of room. Plenty of room. You got plenty of room. Hey Karen, can you please move your car?
Come on, Kevin. Come on. Are you gonna call my manager?
I'm gonna call your manager.
There's no manager here. Let's go. This is fucking stupid.
I want to see how long he does this. This is funny. This is really funny.
How you doing? I was just driving, and this guy swerves in front of us, and he won't.
Let us through.
He won't. He's been sitting there for like a half hour, and he's like, "Back up, back up." I'm like, "Dude, you got like fucking 4 feet over there. Just move over."
He's probably never driven in Cleveland.
No, not at all. I live in Cleveland. There's way smaller.
Oh,
fucking,
yeah?
Like,
Yeah.
way smaller areas, dude.
It's a 3-lane road.
Yeah.
Yeah, school him. Yeah. You never see pull your head out your ass.
Dude kind of looks like LeBron, doesn't he?
This is the best of the cup. The guy knows the law. Yeah, argue with somebody who knows the law.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, give him a ticket. He's seen that I had my ID in my hand. I was going to give it to him, but he doesn't care.
Jesus Christ, so stupid. Just so stupid.
Damn, it's kind of hot.
I told you you're in the right, 100%. I don't care. That's the guy who gets a ticket. Some people.
Are you a registered?
Yeah. You need an ID?
No.
I do have a firearm on me.
No, I already your plate. So what did were you guys just going?
We were just driving. I'm going to my grandpa's house, and he swerved over.
He started shaking his head, and he started swerving at us. I go, this guy's like, what's he doing? And then he just stopped. He's like, back up.
Like, I know in Parma, usually people, like, dip behind the car, but we live in Cleveland. We're used to smaller roads than
Yeah,
this.
you have plenty of room.
I know. So, I know the size of my car. If you don't know the dimensions of your car, you shouldn't be on the road. Like, I don't understand what's going on here. So, he's just like, back up, back up. I'm like, no. So many people have already left.
People have gotten out of their car and explained to him that he has plenty of room, and we're just... I just wanted to see what would happen, so we just sat here. I mean, we're in our right.
Yeah.
I can't wait to edit this video and put it on YouTube. So, are we having this guy move, or
He's getting a ticket.
he's getting a ticket for obstructing traffic? Or
Yeah, I think.
that's fine.
Are you gonna go? I will. I don't. If I'm
Should
not
we?
working,
Should we?
if I'm not working, I would go.
When's the court date? Yeah.
Yeah. We'll send you the. Never driven in a parking lot. He got a ticket. That's what gets me. He got a ticket for this. Oh my god.
Oh, that was so hard.
To buy a Marine Corps hat like that for $1.
Yeah. Go ahead.
I'm served, fucker.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
I appreciate
thank
it,
you.
guys. That is ridiculous. What was the charge?
Slow speed.
Slow speed.
Slow speed or stop, I think.
He was parked.
This car can do it, but you're free to go.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, look at that.
Oh my god, he fit right through. What was that?
What?
What? We're good. I'll let them go.
That's so funny.
Are we good? I'm gonna.
Yeah.
Alright. Appreciate it. Have a good one.
They liked her. They had to find a statute to give him a ticket. That's how stupid that guy is.
Oh god. And then he's like, oh, anybody can go buy a U.S. Marine Corps ad for $1.